And Keith, it's looking like a 10 out of 10 this weekend for those activities.
This is one of those, and this happens because Maine summers are not super long, where you're like, I can think of a lot of things I want to do, and it's going to be difficult to prioritize what is most important to me.
Yep.
Like, it's what, you know what I mean? It's like one of those days, this weekend looks so good. If you want to take a nap, you're going to feel guilty about it. It's like one of those situations. We do have a front coming through right now. This is it for rain. But there's a couple of downpours in there and just about moving towards the coastline over southern coastal Maine. We talked about 5 o'clock. That's going to be really close to dead on as the rain's just moving into the west side of Portland now and down into Kittery in the next 20 minutes or so. It's not a wall of water, so there's a round of rain, a break, and another round. But once it starts raining, I think pretty much up until through sunset, we're going to be done. It's just going to be raining that entire time. Skowhegan, there's some showers up there too. Rumford, some decent shower activity into the mountains. That all will sag to the south over the next few hours and settle its way into the coast, into Lewiston and Augusta, say 7 to 9 o'clock, and then moving into down east Maine later in the evening into the early morning hours. This front, though, looks like weaker, kind of lighter at that point. But we get most of this rain out of here into Canada by tomorrow morning. But there will be clouds and showers over down east and northern Maine. Mixture of sun and clouds for the rest of the state, upper 50s to around 60. Not the brilliant sunshine that we got used to Monday and Tuesday, though. And I continue to think that we're going to have a little bit of a hard time clearing out here on Friday because that upper level low is still around. So there's a lot of clouds around through at least, let's say, 4 o'clock, and then after that we might be able to clear into some late day sun. But I think most of the day is going to be cloudy on Friday, and then we set up for a beautiful weekend as we discussed. That's the front. Offshore by tomorrow, high pressure builds in. At first it's neutral, which means temperatures around average, and then it shifts to the east and we get into a warmer flow for Sunday and potentially Monday as well. And that's really the only thing we have left to think about for Memorial Day weekend is how warm are we talking here Sunday and Monday. And I think on Sunday especially, it's going to be coast versus inland. Not that the coast is going to do poorly, but there will be a sea breeze. Inland, though, I think we're going to see a lot of 80 to 85, so really nice stuff on Sunday. And then Monday, there's a divergence in the models. The GFS American model has upper 80s and low 90s, and the European model has 70s. And I'm siding with the cooler side right now, which is still good, 75, I mean, we'll take that, 70 or so on Tuesday. But there is upside potential for those temperatures on Memorial Day if the GFS turns out to be correct. We'll find out probably by tomorrow who's going to win that battle. And that shower on next Wednesday, guys, that's even a stretch. I think a lot of us won't even see a shower there on Wednesday, but there's only so many ways I can write partly cloudy. So it's just an isolated chance there. It looks really, really nice.
Yeah, nice stretch. Thanks, Keith.